Hi, good afternoon. I'm Nigel Dyer from Wienerberger. We're really thankful for being here from the whole training and adult education. We came here today to show off our eco-brick and porotherm systems, showing the next generation of bricklayers and construction professionals how the industry is changing and the different products that are coming through, and how with the new regulations we allow more insulation in the buildings. So it was real wonderful to meet up with Louise a few months ago and organise things with Dave Blades from Hobson Porter, and just get people in the industry and the locality involved, and go and see the new products and just have a good networking day. And we thoroughly enjoyed it. It's been a wonderful experience.